Hi guys, and welcome in this amazing video. You are really going to be amazed with the feature we are sharing with you to send newsletters to your subscribers and the members just using the Gmail account and the Google Sheet. No extra services or tools or softwares and payments you don't need to make to send the subscribers your offers, your welcome email and everything. And on top of this, you can schedule your emailing or newsletters campaigns one and after some days. So let's see how it works. We have created a Google Sheet with some action scripting, which is a language in the Google Cloud, and you have to make a copy of this template. And then once you have this Google Sheet, this GooMail Google Sheet into your account, into your own account, you can start right away. Like I am going to share with you. So let's say I want to send welcome email. You can type anything, it's up to you. And I want to send welcome email after the 1 day interval. Triggers, create. This column must be created for the first template or the first newsletter. And they are content source, and there are two types of sources. One is document, which is Google document, and you can create a simple Google Doc. And here I will type set the doc, and the source should be the ID of the Google document. So here I just copy and paste here, and just add your subject like welcome to our GooMail service. Okay, cool. So after the welcome email, you want to send offer email after 2 days of interval when the welcome template is sent to that users. And again, the type of this is content. The content type is document, and we have created another template like this one, offer. Okay, cool. So just again copy the ID of this document and subject. We have a special offer for you. So you have to set the subject. Okay, so after these setups, you can also create the HTML type of document. Let's say I want to send a reminder template after the 4 days of offer. The previous campaign is being sent, and the type is HTML. And let me show how to create the HTML. It is a bit advanced for the advanced users. So you have to click on the extension in the Google Sheet and app script. And here in the app script, please don't touch anything in the code and in the files. You can create here the HTML file and click HTML and just name the name of the file, like here, reminder. And here you can see I have the plain HTML and the CSS, and the developers and the designers know how to write the good HTML. So here some advanced settings you can set, like here you can add the pre-head text, which will show the customer, the users before open the email, like we have cool reminder. And again you can set the template as per your need. So you just need to copy the name of the template in the content source. So here the name is also reminder. Don't add HTML, just reminder. Okay, and we are sending you a final reminder, or whatever you type the subject. So here once you set up or schedule your all templates, no limit, you can type, you can list or schedule as many as templates and the content source as you want. So now let's move the final step towards the members or the subscribers. So guys, here are 4 columns you just need to be worried about. Okay, so here you have to add 4 things against each member. You just copy paste the data of your subscribers. Like here, let me show you. Najib Ahmad is the name, and here is the Gmail account. And first of all, for every member who is going to be added, his last template must be create and the date of create, like January 12th. So you see, after filling these 4 columns, this next is autofilled, and it is showing that the next date is 13 January and the template is scheduled is welcome. So today is 23rd January. So after every minute it will trigger and check the sendable members, and they will send the emails with the relevant template and their content to those members. So you can just type or copy paste the member's name and wait for 1 second, and I will show you the magic, and you will see after 1 minute the welcome email will be sent to this email. Okay, here you see. Okay, perfect. You see the welcome email is sent and it automatically pick up the new template which is offered from our schedule after 2 days. It means 15th of January, and it is also sendable because today is 23rd January. So after 1 minute, it will again send offer email to the Najib Ahmad at gmail.com. So let me show you meanwhile if I am getting the emails or not. So here I am going to log in with my, okay, you see guys, welcome to our GooMail service. This is the welcome template. Cool, amazing. And meanwhile, let me show you, yeah, and offer is coming, and it is here. After 1 minute, we also get, so because the dates are the previous dates, that's why we're getting these email back to back, but don't worry, you will get these after that date. So here again, the reminder template is scheduled to be sent on January 19, which is again sendable. So we will get the reminder template shortly. Meanwhile, every email will have an unsubscribe link appended automatically. So if the customer don't want to receive emails, he just click on this and he will not be able to receive emails. So I will show you in a short. So let me get all these emails. Okay, done. So you see everything is sent, there's nothing behind in the schedule. So this is empty and sendable is false. So meanwhile, here we have an email sent list, and here I show you all the emails and their open clicks and everything. You see, I have open emails and there is the open uh, uh, counts. So if I click on the last email, which is reminder, okay, here, and you will see, cool. You see, the one is incremented, and as soon as I open, and it keep incremented the opens. So this is amazing and simple for the individuals or the small businesses. And the last thing I want to show you, if I unsubscribe this, So here you see the subscribe status is set to false. Means everything, even the template is scheduled, but he will not be getting the emails because he has unsubscribed. So you don't need to be set manually this. So everything is set up with the programming, and you can change the wording or the text of this uh, link after when he unsubscribed under the same um action scripting. And here is the unsubscribed HTML, and you can set this as per your need. So guys, this is amazing stuff we built for you after 2 years of efforts. And if you love it, just feedback. And if you want this feature, just contact us on gmedia.com, and here just click on the contact us, and you can just type in your information and just send us, and we'll get back to you. And if you want add more feature, more feedback, it will be very good for us to make this beast more powerful and make newsletter and the email marketing tools more easy, just with the use of Google Sheet and nothing else. So I hope you love this idea and share your feedback. Bye bye.